Okay, I'm already initiating the lecture recording, so you can see that. Sugam, Avian, Nishad. Okay, just please pay attention. Okay, because as of now you were a little bit like lagging in the basics part as well. Okay, Guru Prashanaya and Lavi. Okay, you too as well. Okay, just please participate in the discussion. जो कल हमने देखा था, okay, that is basically simply the terms which is x, y, and z, isn't it? Those terms are nothing but what? Those terms are basically x, y, z, and then we are doing the questions for that. Okay, for example, if there is 2x, if there is 3y, if there is 4z, okay, so based on that, we are doing the questions. You're getting the point what I'm saying. But now, today, if you can see, the terms are also different. The terms are a little bit different over here. So the terms are basically in the form of like it is a combination. It is a combination of like a square b, okay, ab square, like that. Okay, now when you look into these terms, these are nothing but what? These are what? These are the terms, okay, that you are looking for. So these terms are basically what? ये दिखने में बहुत similar होती हैं. Okay, these are very similar terms if you can see it. So these are nothing but what? These are very similar terms. But in the case of the similar terms as well, okay, you need to be very cautious because sometimes you get confused with a square b and ab square. Okay, you sometimes get confused with a square b and ab square, so you need to take care for that as well. Okay, so similarly, you just please check it now what it is given over here. This is 2a square b एंड 5a² जितने भी a² b है सबसे पहले उसको हम साथ में लिखेंगे. वी हैव टू कंबाइन दैट एंड देन वी हैव टू राइट इट डाउन. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू जस्ट प्लीज गिव इट अ ट्राई फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन वंस. First of all, we'll do the 10th question and then we will move to the ninth question. And today, most probably, we will finish this algebra for the like and unlike terms. And this Saturday, Sunday, then you have a test for algebra for like and unlike terms. Okay, just please make sure what I'm saying. Today, we are about to finish the algebra for like and unlike terms, and then Sugam, Avian, Nishad, Gurupra, and all of you. Okay, Lavi is not here, but like she's also going to attend this thing. So this Saturday, Sunday, then you have the mock test for this one. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what it is given? Okay, just solve this question once and give me the final answer for this one. And those who have solved, they can already tell me the answer.
The tenth
Sugam,
one, sir.
Avyan, and
10th
Nishad,
one.
are you writing it down? Yeah, the
No,
10th one. आप लोग लिख रहे हो? Sugam, Avyan, and Nishad.
no. Yes, sir.
Why you are not writing? So अगर आप लिखोगे नहीं तो आंसर कैसे निकालोगे? Three of you, Sugam, Avyan, and Nishad, please write it down and tell me the
Yes, sir.
answer.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Wait, sir. Sir, how to solve it?
These are like and unlike terms, निशाद. आपको like terms का calculation करना है, unlike terms का calculation करना है. जो
Sir,
हमने कल
sir,
किया था same वैसे ही question है.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir, should we add the powers? So this is the 2a, 2b plus 5a with power 2b, and like that should we do?
Yeah, the like terms are basically 2a² b and 5a²b. So you need to add 2a² b and 5a²b.
I'm asking, should we add the powers which is above the
Powers को
a?
add नहीं. No, no, no. You don't need to add the powers. You need to add the coefficients only. You just need to add the coefficients. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay, those who have done this, please tell me the
Sir,
answer.
got sir. Sir,
So
got sir. Got the answer.
7a square b plus 2ab square minus 3ab.
Sir, got the answer, sir. So the answer
Okay,
is 7
so
8 to the power. So the answer is 7 8 to the power 2 and b minus 3ab.
all right, okay. Just please look into the screen now, guys. Okay, what were the like terms? Okay, see, 2a square b and 5a square b. These are the like terms.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sugam, Avyan, Nishad, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
लाइक टर्म्स क्या है क्योंकि सिमिलर जो टर्म्स हैं वो कौन से सिमिलर टर्म्स है ए स्क्वायर बी एंड ए स्क्वायर बी सो व्हाट वी आर एडिंग दिस इज टू ए स्क्वायर बी एंड 5 a square b. Okay, these are the like terms. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Then go for the other terms which is 3ab square. अब b के ऊपर स्क्वायर लगा हुआ है. अभी कहाँ लगा हुआ था स्क्वायर? a के ऊपर स्क्वायर लगा हुआ था. लेकिन अब स्क्वायर कहाँ लगा हुआ है? b के ऊपर स्क्वायर लगा हुआ है. तो दिस इज 3ab स्क्वायर और कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? ab स्क्वायर ये लिखा हुआ है. तो यहाँ पे माइनस ए बी स्क्वायर लिखा हुआ है. अब हम जानते हैं कि अगर आगे कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है मतलब बाय डिफॉल्ट व्हाट इट इज रिटन, it is already 1 over here, isn't it? So this is AB square. Ab 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, already we have written down. तो बचा क्या कौन कौन सा अब टर्म्स कौन कौन सी बची हैं?
Minus a b
Minus
माइनस
ab
ए बी और
minus 2b.
माइनस टू ए बी. तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे माइनस वन ए बी माइनस टू ए बी. ठीक है. तो पेयर किस किस का बन रहा है? इसका एक पेयर बना, इसका एक पेयर बना, इसका एक पेयर बना. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? ठीक है.
Yeah.
So this is the pair. So this is nothing but what? 7.
7ab
This is nothing
7a
but
square b
7a square b. This is 7a square b plus
plus
what is 3 minus 1? This is
2ab square
2ab square. Okay, और ये है माइनस वन माइनस टू. अगर मैं माइनस वन और
3ab
माइनस टू को लिखूंगा तो
Minus
माइनस वन और माइनस टू क्या होता है? What is
minus
3ab
minus 1 and minus 2?
3, sir.
minus 3. 3.
Minus
Minus
3.
3.
So this is minus 3ab. ठीक है.
Minus
अब
3.
यहाँ those who were like having this thought कि सर इतनी जल्दी जल्दी कैसे आंसर आ रहा है. ठीक है. एकदम से आप लिख के माइनस वन और माइनस टू आपने लिखा और एकदम से आपने माइनस थ्री लिख दिया, लेकिन मुझे तो सोचने में टाइम लग रहा है. तो हो सकता है कि आपको ऐसा थॉट आ रहा होगा. माइट बी यू आर हैविंग दिस टाइप ऑफ थॉट, बट ट्रस्ट मी, जो मैंने आपको वर्कशीट जब दी हुई है आपकी, हम सैटरडे संडे उसी के बारे में बात करेंगे. आपको आई थिंक मैंने टाइम टेबल दिया हुआ है ना, सैटरडे 11 to 12 वाला जो मैंने टाइम टेबल दिया हुआ है. उस बेसिकली क्लासेस में हम यही चीज़ कवर करने वाले हैं कि इसकी थॉट प्रोसेस कैसे करनी है हमको, हाउ वी आर गेटिंग द आंसर फॉर दीज पर्टिकुलर questions. You're getting my point what I'm saying. Okay, so this is minus 1 and minus 2. So the minus 1 and minus 2 is nothing but what? That is basically the minus 3. So minus minus is plus, plus करना है मतलब 2 plus 1 is what? 2 plus 1 is 3, and then we are having the answer as 3 over here. Are you getting my point? ये आंसर आया आपके पास में? You
Yes,
getting this
sir.
answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is the answer that we are having as of now. Okay, hope you're getting my point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the one portion that we are covering up over here. Okay. So now apart from that, now what is the other thing that we need to do? Now again, just try for the ninth one also. Okay, same. अभी अब हमारे पास में a और b था, अब same वहाँ पर x square और y square है. So just please go for that as well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And Shanaya, I hope you are also having the understanding, the same understanding, like for the like term and
Yes.
unlike terms.
Yes, sir. I
But
got
let
it now.
me, like the others are also doing the questions. First of all, you just please tell me, like in the rational numbers. Okay, I hope you will be having those portion which is, uh, now finding the rational numbers between two given points.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
like 1/3 and 4/5.
Yeah.
Representation of a number on a number line, isn't it, Shanaya? Successive magnification also you have, like for example if you need to mention 4.6777, that you need to mention, so you need to mention 4.777. ओके, सो वो भी मेंशन करना आपको आ रहा है. तो ये सब क्वेश्चंस आपने करे हुए हैं when we are talking about the rational numbers. Did you remember this type of क्वेश्चन जो आपने किया है 4.777 या 4 पॉइंट में, मतलब इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आप ऑलरेडी आपके एनसीईआरटी में दिए हुए हैं क्योंकि सो दैट्स व्हाई. ओके, ठीक है. The next, okay, I think, and the next portion that is there in the rational number is which is exponent and powers. So in the exponent and powers also, you have the questions like a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, and then you are having the common questions for that. So I hope you are having these type of things only.
Yeah, yeah.
So you have you practice all this thing from the NCRT also and from the RD Sharma also.
And RSL. Yes.
So both the three, I mean all the three booklets you have already finished in that.
Yeah.
All right, okay. So this is the one thing that you have finished, and then apart
That's
from
all.
that, the next thing is what linear equation in one variable, isn't it? Okay, I
Yeah.
talk to you. Okay, you are saying okay, fine, Gurupra. So Shania, you are saying that you are having the classes up till 7:40.
7:30,
Okay.
but yeah, it'll take time to come back.
So do you have a time to connect with me, like after what you can say 7:30 to 8 or like that?
I'll be connected in 7:35 here.
7:45.
35.
ठीक है 35.
Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है, no issues. We'll connect at 7:35. Just ping me on the WhatsApp once, okay, and just remind me so that we can set and then I can like just look for your both the things one by one, both the chapters, okay?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Avian, what is the answer for this ninth one?
Ninth one, it is 10x 10x to the power of 2y.
Okay. 10x to the power 2 and y. Yes.
Yes, and then 1xy to the power of 2.
Mm-hmm. Just wait a minute, huh? Let me write what exactly you're giving me the answer. That is 10 x to the power 2 and y. What is the next one?
Next one is 1xy to the power of 2.
1x y to the power 2. Okay, next.
That's all I wrote, sir.
That's all we wrote. Okay, but between this and this, what is the signature? Whether it is plus or minus?
So this one is it is plus, sir. This first one is plus.
Okay, this is the plus. Okay, now let me tell you one thing. Okay, I don't know as of now whether this answer is right or wrong. ठीक है, मुझे नहीं पता अभी. ठीक है, we will solve it and then we can figure it out. Okay, shall I erase this part, guys? Shall I erase this part?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so I'm erasing this part as of now. Okay, I'm erasing this part. Now, when it comes to this portion, so what you can do, like now you can see this portion, which is basically x square y. बस हमको टारगेट क्या करना है, x के ऊपर जो स्क्वायर लगा हुआ है वो कितनी टर्म्स हैं, वन टर्म, टू टर्म, थ्री
Three.
टर्म. Okay, so what it is given, that is 9 x square y plus 2 x square y minus x square y. Now we already know कि अगर यहाँ कुछ नहीं लिखा है means what it is written, 1. It is by default what, it is 1. अभी जो सर्कल नहीं किया है हमने, जिसको सर्कल नहीं करा है वो कौन कौन सा है, दैट इज 5xy स्क्वायर प्लस 5x माइनस 4xy स्क्वायर प्लस 5xy स्क्वायर. ओके, गेटिंग द पॉइंट. तो पेयरिंग किसका बना, इसका एक पेयर बना हमारे पास में और इसका एक पेयर बना. यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट, यस नो मे बी.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अब नंबरिंग के लिए क्या करना है, ओके, सुगम, Nishad and Avyan. Nishad, please look into the screen. You are continuously writing. Okay, just please look into the screen. What I'm saying is this thing. You can see what is 9 plus 2?
11, sir.
11. What is 11 minus 1?
10.
10. तो बस 10. लेकिन आंसर इज व्हाट, लाइक 10. लेकिन टर्म कौन सी है, एक्स स्क्वायर वाई. टर्म कौन सी है, एक्स स्क्वायर वाई. ठीक है. अभी सिमिलरली तो इसका तो आंसर क्या आ गया, इसका आंसर आ गया विच इज 10 एक्स स्क्वायर वाई. यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the one thing that you have. The next portion that you want to cover as of now, that is what, that is minus 4xy square. So minus 4xy square and plus 5xy square is nothing but what, that is plus 5 minus 4. What is plus 5 minus 4?
1, sir.
Plus 5 minus 4 is basically what you have, that is basically 1. So here you can put 1. लेकिन 1 of what? It is positive 1 or negative 1? ये positive 1 आएगा या negative 1?
So it's
So
positive.
it should be positive 1. Yeah, yes, it should be positive 1. And ये जो category है वो है x y square की. So this is the final answer. Okay, so that means this answer is the correct answer. Okay, everyone getting my point?
Yes, sir. Same
Okay,
answer.
this is, yeah, all right. Sugam, Avyan, and
Yes.
where is Nishad?
Yes, sir.
I cannot see you on the screen, Nishad. Ah,
Sir, I'm here.
okay. Huh. Okay, now I can see you. So what I'm saying is, Nishad, are you getting this thing, or are you are also struggling in the plus and minus part and like that?
No, sir. Not struggling at all.
All right. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now coming to the next portion. In this section, now I'll give you some of the questions from my side first of all, and then you need to do the questions one by one from your side. Okay. So first of all, just look into this question. See, in this 10th question, what exactly is written? Just please solve the 10th one. There are multiple positive and negative signature, and just please take care for this negative part. कल मैंने negative के बारे में जो बताया था, just please take care for that one.
Plus y plus 2z plus plus 3z. Oops. Plus y plus z plus 3x.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Ah, yeah, please ask me.
Sir, in between there's minus sign, so 2x will become minus 2x. But even after it's become minus 2x, do we still have to write the minus 2 times, like minus minus 2x?
You are asking for this term.
Yes, sir.
Ah, yes, you have to write it.
Two times
Minus
minus
2x.
minus 2x.
Minus, this is minus 2x.
Okay, yes, sir.
Gurupra. After this, it will become minus 2x. This will become minus 5, and so on for all the terms.
Yes, sir. I got that, but like in between is the minus sign, so we don't have to write it now.
Sir,
No, no, no.
I also have the same confusion because like directly sign after sign, like is it appropriate?
So I
Directly the
can't
sign after
see, sir.
sign is appropriate. No, I think you're getting confused, guys. See, look into the screen. Let me do the first question. All of you, just please put your pen and pencils down and look into the screen. There are multiple signature, and there are how many brackets? First of all, tell me. The first bracket is this one. The second bracket is this one. Okay. There are how many brackets?
Two,
Or
sir.
There are two brackets. Okay. अभी फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट के बाहर क्या लगा हुआ है? फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट के बाहर अगर कुछ नहीं है तो मतलब क्या है? पॉजिटिव लगा हुआ
Plus.
है, isn't it? तो
yes.
इसमें तो कोई चेंजेस नहीं होंगे. अब इसके अंदर कोई चेंजेस नहीं होंगे. दैट मीन्स सबसे पहले इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करो. उसके बाद में इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करो. पहले तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी टर्म्स है उसको सॉल्व करना है. तो व्हाट इज, देखो अंदर क्या क्या दिया हुआ है? एक्स भी दिया हुआ है, वाई भी दिया हुआ है और जी भी दिया हुआ है, isn't it? कितने लेटर्स दिए हैं अंदर? तीन
The
लेटर्स दिए हुए हैं. देयर आर टोटल थ्री लेटर्स. So first of all we have to solve for x, y and z. So what is 6x and x?
so
What is
6x
6x and
and
x?
x is it's 7x. 7x.
So that will be 7x. Okay. What is minus y and minus y and plus 3y?
Sir, it will be plus 2y.
That will be plus 2y. What is 2z minus z?
Sir, plus 1z. Plus 1, sir.
That is plus 1z, isn't it? तो ये जो
Yes, sir.
ब्रैकेट है, इसमें पहले कितनी टर्म्स दी थी? इसमें पहले 6 टर्म्स दी थी. 1 2 3 4 5 6. वो 6 टर्म्स रिड्यूस होके कितनी टर्म्स में कन्वर्ट हो गई?
3 terms.
3
3
टर्म्स
terms.
में कन्वर्ट हो गई. मतलब छोटा हो गया ब्रैकेट. पहले बड़ा ब्रैकेट था, वो छोटा हो गया, isn't it? You're getting the
Yes.
point. ओके. तो बेसिकली हमने श्रिंक किया. हमने क्वेश्चन को श्रिंक किया। अच्छा सिमिलरली अब बीच में क्या लगा हुआ है, माइनस लगा हुआ है, सो वी आर, हमने माइनस की जगह माइनस लगाया, ठीक है। नाउ अगेन व्हाट इज 2x and 3x?
Sir, 2x.
2x and
Sir, 2x
3x,
and 3x.
Sir, it's 5x.
that is
5x.
5x, ठीक है। what is plus y minus 2y?
Sir,
Sir,
it's
1y.
Plus y and minus 2y is minus
1y.
1y, okay, that is minus 1y. Then what is minus z and plus 2z?
Sir, it's plus 1z.
Yes, it is plus 1z, okay। अब ये भी पहले 6 टर्म्स दी थी और अब कितने टर्म्स में कन्वर्ट हो गया, 3 टर्म्स में कन्वर्ट हो गया। नाउ इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू 3 टर्म्स, ओके। यहाँ तक सभी को समझ आया, एवरीवन इज ओके,
Yes,
एवरीवन
sir.
इज फाइन, ठीक है। अब इसके आगे करना है हमको, ठीक है। अब इसके आगे क्या करना है हमको, यहाँ पे दी हुई है ऑलरेडी, प्लस दिया हुआ है, तो हमने लिखा 7x plus 2y plus 1z, ओके। देन नेक्स्ट अब देखो ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है, मतलब प्लस लिखा हुआ है। यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है, मतलब क्या लिखा हुआ है, प्लस लिखा हुआ है। अब ध्यान से देखो, अगर बाहर माइनस लिखा हुआ है तो माइनस जो लिखा हुआ है हमको उसको हैंडल आउट करना है। तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस प्लस इज व्हाट,
Yes, sir.
माइनस
Done.
प्लस इज माइनस, ठीक है। देन माइनस माइनस इज व्हाट, माइनस
Plus.
माइनस इज प्लस, देन माइनस प्लस इज व्हाट,
Minus.
माइनस प्लस इज व्हाट, माइनस। तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे लिखो, तो पहला क्या आ जाएगा, हमने क्या लिखा है, माइनस प्लस इज माइनस, सो इट इज माइनस व्हाट, इट इज माइनस 5x। then it is minus minus is what, minus minus is plus, so it is plus 1y, okay। then minus plus is what again, minus, so it is minus 1z, isn't it, okay। अब हमने पहले ब्रैकेट लगाया था, यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट प्रेजेंट है, यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट प्रेजेंट नहीं है। क्यों नहीं है यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट प्रेजेंट, क्योंकि माइनस अंदर उसका इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो गया है, माइनस का इन्वॉल्वमेंट अंदर हो गया है, या ऐसा बोलो माइनस अंदर जा चुका है, isn't it? That's why the signature is automatically changed over here, and हमने जो ब्रैकेट है उसको रिमूव कर दिया। You getting my point what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yes, Nishad.
Sir, like, uh, uh, could I remember, like, we have to just change into the opposite sign, like, if it's plus, minus, and if it's minus, it's plus.
Yeah, yes. So in the same way, that's why I'm saying this. Until and unless you cannot write it, you cannot see it. Okay, that's why I'm doing the question in front of all of you, so that you can see that what exactly is the procedure of writing. So that आपको ये समझ में आएगा कि लिखना कैसे होता है, ठीक है। Maybe Nishad is doing the homework, Sugam is doing the homework, Avian is doing the homework, or anyone is else. So in this way, you will learn that how to write it properly. You're getting my point? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So this is the procedure, ठीक है। चलो फाइन, आई थिंक यहाँ तक आ गया। अच्छा मैं इसमें से भी ब्रैकेट अभी हटा सकता हूँ, सो आई कैन रिमूव द ब्रैकेट। अब देखो ये तो वही सेम सिचुएशन हो गई हमारे पास में। नाउ अगेन
Yes,
हाउ
sir.
मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर, टोटल 6 terms are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 terms are there। what is 7 minus 5?
2x, sir.
2.
7 minus 5 is basically 2x। what is 2y and 1y? what is 2
3y.
plus 1?
It's plus 3y.
Plus 3y। what is 1z and minus 1z? 1z and minus
Zero.
1z means what?
Sir, it's the
That
same.
is 0, that is 0। so the final answer is how much? The final answer is 2x plus 3y। this is the final answer। इसके आगे हम कर सकते हैं क्या solve? Can anyone tell me yes no?
No.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्यों नहीं कर सकते? what is the reason? Nishad, you tell me।
Sir, because the terms are different.
the terms are different, very good। क्या बोलते हैं इसको, terms different होती है तो what it is
Unlike
called?
Sound.
that is unlike term। सबको समझ में आ रहा है, everyone
yes,
is
sir.
getting
I have
going
a
on
doubt,
the
sir.
screen।
So I have a doubt.
हाँ please tell me।
Sir, why can't we like just start? Can't we just try like 2 5xy plus 5xy.
No, no, it is not like that. As per the rule of algebra, okay, if we have already studied this thing, if there are different letters or if there are different powers, that can be treated as what? That can be treated as unlike terms. And unlike terms में जो operator है, which operator? The addition and subtraction, that is not applicable. ठीक है, हम different letter में या different power में positive and negative का operator नहीं लगा सकते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने आपको आई थिंक फुटबॉल एंड क्रिकेट का एग्जांपल भी दिया था, आपको दिया था मैंने, यस नो, मैंने बताया था आपको फुटबॉल एंड क्रिकेट के एग्जांपल के केस. ठीक है, सो वो सेम लॉजिक यहाँ पर भी एप्लीकेबल है. ओके, आई
Yes, sir.
होप यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. अब विद द सेम लॉजिक गाइस, कैन यू डू द 8th वन एंड 9th क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, जस्ट क्विकली डू इट गाइस.
The tenth
अभी
one.
आराम, पहले 8th वन और 9th वन, 10 तो हो चुका है.
Okay, sir. The tenth one,
ओके
I
या,
got the same answer, sir, but I just did it the long way. Like I didn't solve the brackets first. I opened all the brackets and then did it. But I got the same answer.
इसलिए ठीक है. ओके, वेरी गुड. बट अभी पहले ब्रैकेट के अंदर की चीजों को
Yeah, sir.
सॉल्व
But
करो
like,
आप,
हाँ, क्योंकि वो
है ना,
बहुत
एंड
टाइम लग
देन
जाता
गो
है
अहेड. यस यस.
and like
पहले
confusion भी हो
जितना
जाती है.
पहले जितना ज्यादा छोटा बना सकते हो, इजी बना सकते हो, फर्स्ट रिड्यूस इट एंड देन चेंज द साइन.
Okay, sir.
ऑलराइट, ओके, प्लीज गो फॉर इट.
Minus n minus n minus.
Okay, Shanaya, as of now, you are also doing the 8th and 9th one, or like you are doing the portion from the rational part and linear equation part? Shanaya, you are on mute, Shanaya.
I'm already done with these questions. I'm on the 17th question. Okay.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, no issues.
Do you want me to do the rational numbers portion?
No, rational and linear one, na, that we will discuss at that 7:35 at that time. We will connect once again, Shanaya. Okay, and whatever the relevant discussion is there, na, we will do at that time. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Sir, in the eighth one, we have to first solve the brackets and then change the sign, no?
Yes, in both 8th one also and 9th one also. And guys,
Yes,
with
sir.
full concentration, first of all, do the questions, okay? Because थोड़ा सा भी अगर साइन चेंज हो गया या गलत कुछ आपने कॉपी किया, पूरा आंसर गलत हो जाएगा.
Sir, I got the answer for the 8th one.
Same, sir.
Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, go for the 9th one if you already done with the 8th one.
9 5a plus b minus 3c minus 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 a plus 2b 2b plus c.
Nishad, are you also doing the question? Nishad, Sugam,
Yeah. Yeah.
and Abhiyan. Okay, what about Abhiyan? Abhiyan, are
I'm
you
doing, sir. I'm
comfortable?
doing. I'm doing,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
I'm
All
almost done
right.
with the
आपको
exercise.
okay, and you are also getting the logic. आ रहे हैं आपको questions हो रहे हैं solve? Okay.
5a 9 minus plus 3b.
Okay, Avyan, are you able to do the questions logic? You are getting the logic also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, as
I'm
of now,
almost
maybe your speed is not there. अभी हो सकता है कि आप स्पीड में क्वेश्चन नहीं कर पाओ, ठीक है? तो स्पीड पकड़ने की कोशिश अभी नहीं करनी है, लेकिन एक्यूरेसी मस्ट बी देयर. ठीक है, सुगम, अव्यान एंड निशाद. ओके, नहीं हो रहे हैं जल्दी जल्दी क्वेश्चन, चलेगा, नो इश्यूज. थोड़ा सा टाइम टाइम लगेगा, विच इज ओके, लेकिन करेक्ट आंसर आना चाहिए. सो दैट आंसर शुड बी करेक्ट. यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग.
yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
So with full concentration, as of now, just focus on just fundamentals. Okay. Okay. Please go ahead. Please solve it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm giving just one more minute and then I will jump up into the discussion. Sugam, what about you? Are you getting the logic?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
0
All right. Yeah.
Third answer.
Okay,
answer
guys,
the
please
problem.
No, sir. No.
put your pen and pencils down and just give me the answer for the eighth one first of all. What is the answer for the eighth one? Starting with Avyan.
So, uh, so, sir, in the first bracket, it's, sir. I'm not. I'm almost done, sir. I didn't do it. I'm in the second bracket, almost done.
You are doing eighth question or ninth question, Avyan?
Eighth question, sir.
So are you still on the eighth one only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, take it. Please take your time. Do it. Nishad, what is your answer?
Yeah. Sir, in it, sir, my answer is minus 1m minus 3n minus 5p plus 1p
Minus 5p and
plus 1p.
plus 1p. So don't you think this minus 5p and 1p are same only? They are the like terms. वो तो solve हो जाएंगे ना? It can be easily solved. सॉल्व जो नहीं हो सकता वो है एम एन और पी, लेकिन फाइनल आंसर में माइनस फाइव पी और वन पी तो नहीं आएगा बिकॉज वो तो लाइक टर्म्स है ना.
Oh, sir, so the answer will be minus 1m minus 3n minus 4p.
Yes, exactly. Okay, are you getting the logic?
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो फाइनल आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? -4p अकॉर्डिंग टू यू। अभी मुझे नहीं पता व्हाट इज द आंसर, बट एज पर यू दिस इज द आंसर। कैन एनीवन प्लीज क्रॉस वेरीफाई which is this is right or wrong?
So I'm getting it as different.
You're getting the different. Yes, Guruprab, what is your answer?
Minus 1m plus 3n plus 4b.
Plus 4p.
Sir,
Okay. Yes, Nish. Yes, Sugam.
sir, my answer is 5m plus 2n plus 4m. So 4p.
5m, 2 and 4p. Okay. This is your answer,
No, sir,
Sugam.
wait. I'm getting the same answer as I by
ठीक है.
mistake.
Uh, ठीक है. Guys, whatever the answer you have told, okay, I'm just taking at full and final over here. Okay.
Yes, sir. These are
Uh,
minus 1 and minus 3 and minus 4.
Now, please, okay, fine, guys, please now put your pen and pencils down and look into the screen, guys. The eighth question, okay, what we are doing in the eighth question, now we are looking for the same thing only. Okay, see, first of all, m and m is there. Okay, what is m and m? What is 2m and minus 3m? What is 2m and minus 3m? So that will be minus 1m, minus 1m. Okay, what is 4n and minus 1n? मतलब 4 minus 1. Indirectly, we are doing 4 minus 1.
So
What
it's
is
3.
4 minus 1? So that is basically 3n. What is 6 minus 1? 6 minus 1 is what? That is 5. So that is plus 5. And this is what? First bracket. So I'm putting a bracket in the first one. Everyone, are you done with this part?
Yes, sir.
Guys, try to copy the steps also. ठीक है, अगर मैंने स्टेप ये लिखी है पहले और मैंने पहले ब्रैकेट लगाया है, तो आपको भी ऐसे ही करना है। आपको शॉर्टकट नहीं चलना है, शॉर्टकट में नहीं जाना है अभी। यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? डोंट
Yeah.
डू द शॉर्टकट। और ऐसा भी नहीं करना है कि half of the calculation is going in your mind and half of a calculation is on pen and copy. No, every calculation should be on your copy. Every calculation should be on your notebook, because if you are doing the mental mathematics, then chances of error is very high, isn't it? So don't do the mental mathematics as of now. Everything should be on the notebook. Okay, next one. What is m minus n?
0,
What is
sir.
m
N
minus
minus n
1?
also 0.
M minus n is 0. What is n, minus n plus n?
0, sir.
This is also 0. What is 2p minus p?
1p,
What
sir.
is 2p minus p? That is
1p.
only 1p. Means from the second bracket, we will get only 1p, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
From this, okay. Now what we have to do? We have to combine it. We have to remove the bracket. अभी bracket remove करना पड़ेगा हमको. अभी हमने क्या करा है? We just reduce it. Now we need to improve the bracket, remove the bracket. So it is minus 1m plus 3n plus 5p minus 1p.
Minus 1p, yeah.
Okay. So this is minus m plus 3n plus
Plus 4.
4p
My answer was
plus
right then.
4p. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Okay. Everyone, are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
This is the correct answer. Nishad.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened? Who gave the second answer?
Me, sir.
Okay. And your answer, Sugam, you gave this answer? Last one. So Sugam, why it is 5m? Why are you getting 5m over here? How it is 5m?
Check
Are you
one more
getting the
time.
point? What it is? Okay. Now, apart from that, there are some other portion as well. Which question is there? I think ninth one is also there. Okay. So this is the final answer. Just please take a note of it. Abhiyan, what about you? Are you also getting the same answer, or
Yes, sir.
okay? So whatever you are having as of now, just please tell me so that I can check it, that where could you have done it wrong.
Sir, so in the first bracket, I got 1m minus 3n plus 5p. So minus 5p.
Okay, so basically this signature and this signature is wrong. Okay, you are making the mistake as of now in the signature part as well. Okay, so the signature part, where to put the minus, where to put the plus, that is the issue with you as of now, Abhiyan. Are you getting it? Okay, so we'll definitely fix it out. I think you have the BODMAS PDF also with you.
Yes, sir, I do. I do.
Okay, and Saturday you have a class, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So just be on time for that one. Sugam, Avyan, and Nishad. Okay.
Yep.
The timetable for the Saturday, which I have already provided to you. Okay, just please follow that one and be on time. Okay, over there, because this plus minus mistakes, the plus minus understanding, we were definitely going to cover that portion over there. Okay, and you have to little bit speed up on that part. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we
Yes,
will
sir.
cover these things on Saturday, okay, at morning 11 to 12. All right, okay. Coming to the next one now, the ninth question. Okay, the ninth question that we are having. So similarly, I'll tell you the answer for the ninth one as well. So I'm erasing this part now. Okay, in the ninth one, now what it is given? In the ninth one, if you can see, so what is 5 minus 1?
4.
4a.
4.
What is 1b and 2b?
1B and 2B is 3B.
Is 3b. What is minus 3 plus 1?
Minus
That's
2c, sir.
minus 2C.
This is the outcome of first bracket. This is the outcome of first bracket. Now negative is already written in the second part of over here. What is the second bracket? Second bracket is basically
Sir,
2
the b
minus
and b
a.
will get cancelled. Yeah.
हाँ हाँ पहले लेकिन a से start करेंगे पहले हम ठीक है
Okay.
तो what is 2a minus a that is
1 sir.
1a the b and b get cancelled because opposite signatures are there. What is C minus 2C?
Minus
So
1c,
that
sir.
is basically minus 1C. So the second bracket is this one. अभी हमने क्या करा से ब्रैकेट के अंदर की चीजों को सॉल्व कर दिया है. अब हम करेंगे बेसिकली ब्रैकेट ओपन. तो ये this will become 4A, 3B and 2C. Okay, and this is minus 1A plus 1C, isn't it? This is
Yes, sir.
minus 1A plus 1C. So it is minus 1A plus 1C. So why is this happen? Because minus plus is minus and minus minus is what? Minus minus is
Plus.
plus. Okay, you're getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So if you're having such thing, now what is 4 minus 1?
3a, sir.
3A. Okay. For
Plus 3.
3B,
Plus 3.
there is no as such like term. But for this, we have the like term, which is basically
1
minus
minus
2 plus
1c.
1. So this is minus 1C. So
Same
this
answer.
is the final answer.
Yes, sir. Same answer, sir.
This is the final answer. Okay, 3B. 3B के लिए कोई like term है ही नहीं. मतलब 3B के लिए कोई pair ही नहीं है. There is no pair for 3B. जब कोई पेयर ही नहीं है रहेगा तो एज इट इज हमको उसको लिखना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए कोई भी पेयर अवेलेबल नहीं है. लेकिन ए के लिए देयर इज अ पेयर. फॉर ए देयर इज अ पेयर. For C, there is a pair. You're getting my point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the portion that you need to cover. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
guys, as of now, from my side, okay, there is no as such any more thing in this thing. Okay, you can see there are multiple questions which is in plus and minus. Those who were
Yes,
weak
sir.
as of now in the terms of adding, subtraction, and all such thing.
Yeah.
So I would like to request Sugam, Avyan, Nishad, okay, and Gurupra to practice whole PDF, okay, because the more you practice these sums now, the more clarity you will have.
Yep.
Okay, so that's why please do all the questions one by one. Okay, and then submit the homework to me. Okay,
Yeah.
just do the things from a starting part only. कल जो आपने homework करा था that is okay. अभी से for example page number 1 and page number 2 you have completed. So now what you can do, page number 3 and 4 you can do as a homework.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so just take a note of it. लिख के रखो इसको कहीं पे. ठीक है, just take a note of it that page number 3 and page number 4 is the homework, etc., etc., like that. So you will not forget about these things.
Yes,
Also,
sir.
also we have done these type of question in which minus is there outside the bracket, isn't it? We have a minus outside the bracket, so do this question also. And this is in which page number? Page number 6, page number 7. Okay, so take a note for page number 6 and page number 7 also as a homework. Okay, so guys, you have to be little bit fast also. Okay, this is not like that I'm giving multiple questions to you. This is all because as of now you do not have the practice of doing such type of questions. Okay, once you master these topics, then I don't think so there is a need of this PDF also. But as you are in a very nascent and initial stage, so you need to check for these particular questions also. Okay, everyone.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
No issues. So this is the homework part, and yeah, today is Wednesday, so the mathematics portion is finished as of now. Thursday and Friday we have a science classes, guys. Okay, those who
Yes,
have
sir.
enrolled for science, we can match up for the science also. And then yeah, we will do the class test for this Saturday, Sunday. So
Okay,
this
sir.
Saturday, Sunday, what you have to do, you have a test for algebra for like and unlike terms.
Yeah.
So now you can give me the mock test timetable for algebra for like and unlike terms. So Gam, Avyan, Nishad,
Okay.
Gurupra, are you
Yes,
clear
sir.
with it? Okay, so please give me the mock test timetable. And Avian, as of now, the mock test timetable is not applicable for you, okay, because you are still doing and practicing the thing. So you just please hold on for time being for the mock test. But Sugam, Nishad, and Gurupra, you just please give me the timetable for this thing, okay? And for you, Shanaya, I'll connect with you like at 7:35, 7:40, okay? Like for that, the two chapters which we are talking about, okay? So you will get your relevant materials and discussion over there. Great. And Avian, you just please take care for like these basic portion which you are doing. And the three of you who have already given the I have already given the timetable for Saturday class, please be on time. Okay. I will dispatch the link today onwards only, okay, for the Saturday, so that well in advance only you have the link for that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then thank you everyone for joining the sessions.
Okay,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
sir.
Yeah. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Charu. Good evening. Are you there?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Good
Yeah.
evening.
Hi. Good evening. Yeah. Good evening. Mm, okay. All right. So I hope now. Yesterday we were doing the practice worksheet for the lines and angles. So what we can do today, we will continue with the lines and angles, that same practice worksheet as well. Okay. And then from this Saturday, Sunday, you will be having the mock test for that, which is lines and angles. So will that be okay for you?
Yes, sir. I already scheduled the mock test for that Saturday.
All right. Okay. So I think you have already given me the timetable for that. You're saying that.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I joined.
Hi, good evening, Shivani and Charu.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, so where is Charu? Okay, Charu is here. Lines and angles. Okay,